Good morning to all. Welcome to computer class. In the last class, we have studied about Introduction to MS Access. In this chapter, you have already learned database, database management system, functions of database, advantages of database and database concept. Do you remember that? Today we are going to study MS Access. How to start MS Access? MS Access is a part of Microsoft Office suite. It is the most powerful and popular relational database management system software. Microsoft Access is used to organize and manipulate data in the form of tables. The next one, starting MS Access. Starting Microsoft Access. To start Microsoft Access 2013, follow the given step. First you click the start button, then you click all programs, then you click Microsoft Office, then you click Microsoft Access. The Access starting window will appear on the screen. Then you select and click blank database. Then you enter the database name in the file name box. Then you click create button. Okay, here is the interface or first main window of Access, MS Access. Then components of Microsoft Access. Various components of Access window are title bar. It is present at the top of Access window. It displays the database name. Title bar in namakku database name കാണുവാൻ സാധിക്കും. And it contains the following three buttons: minimize, maximize or restore and close. Minimize button, it hide the Access window. Then maximize button, enlarge the Access window. Then close button, close the Access window. These three buttons together called window control buttons. Next component, Quick Access Toolbar. It is present at the left corner of the title bar. Title bar left corner ലായിട്ട് നമുക്കിവിടെ ചില സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ടൂൾസ് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് എവിടെയാണ് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? Quick Access Toolbar. It contains buttons for commonly used commands. The next one, tab. Below the title bar, we can see the tabs. It contains set of commands. Home, create, external data, database tools, fields, tables are the different tabs. Then ribbon. Below the tab, we can see the ribbon. It contains commands that you need to complete a task. Commands are organized in groups which are collected together under tabs. The next one, navigation panel. Navigation pane. It displays all the objects contained in the database. ഡേറ്റാബേസിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ കണ്ടന്റ് ഉണ്ടോ അതെല്ലാം നമുക്ക് ഈ നാവിഗേഷൻ പാനലിൽ കാണുവാൻ സാധിക്കും. The objects are grouped by type, like tables, reports, forms, etc. Then Documents tab bar. Document tab bar display all the tabs of open object. All the tabs of open object. To view an object, click its tab. The next one, a record navigation bar. Here is the record navigation bar. Okay, all of you look at the screen. It allows you to navigate through record one at a time. Once again, it allows you to navigate through records one at a time. You can also add records. The next one, record search box. It is present at the right side of the record navigation bar. It is used to search for any term in the current object. നമ്മുടെ current objectile എന്തെങ്കിലും terms നമുക്ക് search ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ record search box use ചെയ്യുക. Then status bar. Here we can see the status bar. Okay. It will display the status of the view that is open, like a datasheet view, design view, etc. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഡേറ്റാഷീറ്റ് വ്യൂ ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റാറ്റസ് എന്തെഴുതി കാണിക്കും? ഡേറ്റാഷീറ്റ് വ്യൂ എന്ന് എഴുതി കാണിക്കും. The next one, closing the database and access. To close the database and access, follow the given step. Click the close button on the title bar. Click the close button on the title bar to close the access window. Okay, all of you understood? Second chapter comes to an end. Important points are: a database is an organized collection of related information. DBMS or Database Management System is a software package used to create and manage database. MS Access is a popular software used to organize and manage data in the form of tables. You can add, modify, delete or view data in MS Access. Textbook exercise. First one, fill in the blanks. The dash consists of raw facts or figures. Data consists of raw fact or figures. Second one, DBMS stands for. DBMS stands for Database Management System. Third one, dash means duplication of data. Redundancy means duplication of data. Fourth one, a dash is a collection of related records. A file is a collection of related records. Fifth one, MS Access is a dash database system. MS Access is a relational database system. Next, write T for true and F for false for the statement. First one, Access is a RDBMS software, Relational Database Management System software. Is it true or false? True. Second one, forms and reports cannot be created in Access. That is false. Then third one, a column name represents a field name. A column name represents field name. Is it true or false? True. Then fourth one, table consists of data in the form of rows and columns. Is it true or false? True. The next one, tick the correct one. First question. The dash is a software used to create and manage a database. Three options are there: DBMS, DCBS, DDMS. Which is the correct one? DBMS, Database Management System, is a software that is used to create and manage a database. Second question. Which of the following are database software? Options: Oracle, Phosphro, B. Paint, PowerPoint, C. Word, PowerPoint. First option is the correct one. Oracle, Phosphro are the database software. Next, third one. A set of various fields is called a dash. Options: record, file, database. A set of various fields is called a record. Then fourth question. Which is used to search for any item in the current object? Options: navigation pane, record search box, status bar. Which is the correct one? Record search box. Record search box is used to search for any item in the current object. Okay. Then fifth one. Which bar contains buttons for commonly used commands? Options: quick access toolbar, ribbon, menu bar. Which is the correct one? Quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar contains buttons for commonly used commands. You study well. We will meet on next computer class. Thank you all.